my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate my first grammar lesson. And today I'm going to demonstrate how to make arrangements with people, how to reject, confirm, and accept suggestions. So first of all, I'm going to have a phone call and listen carefully to what I say. Hello, Amina. Yes, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm working very hard actually at the moment. What's going on there? Oh, really? That sounds interesting. When? Oh, Friday? No, not Friday. I'm booked up on Friday. What about Saturday? What are you up to on Saturday? You're going to have a party? That's really interesting. Anyone I know? Oh, I haven't seen him for ages. Yes, I'd love to. Okay, how about picking you up at 8 o'clock tomorrow? Yes, that's good. And what type of clothes? Is it posh or casual? Okay, great. I'm looking forward to seeing you then. Bye. So, now you noticed how I rejected and accepted the suggestion. Now let's go to the screen now to understand more about it.